Alright, it is Friday, January 11th, 2019 at 12:22 p.m. Let's take a look at some weather. Alright, Winter Storm Gia to spread snow and ice from the plains and Midwest to the east into the weekend. Winter storm warnings issued. A snowstorm will impact parts of the plain, Midwest, South, and East into the weekend. A stripe of snow will stretch from the Colorado and New Mexico area to the East Coast. Some sleet and ice are also expected in some areas. Winter Storm Gia will spread a swath of snow and some ice from parts of the Rockies, Plains, and Midwest to the Mid-Atlantic into this weekend, making travel a challenge in these areas. Gia was named late Thursday afternoon as the number of people in winter storm warnings surpassed 2 million, the population criteria used to trigger naming this winter storm. An area of low pressure will tap into cold air from Canada as it moves from the plains to off the east coast this weekend. There will be accumulating snow and some ice along and onto north of where the low tracks. This appears to be a moderate snow and ice event for most areas, from the Central Plains to the mid-Mississippi Valley, Ohio Valley, Central and Southern Appalachians, and Mid-Atlantic, but there will be some pockets of heavier snow embedded in this swath. Travel impacts are likely this weekend in parts of those regions. Alright guys, so there's supposed to be snow coming and cold air from Canada. So please be advised that this weekend it's going to be active. Alright, this is the snow accumulation in the next 120 hours. So as you see here, the Central Plains up to the East Coast is going to be expected to have snow the next 120 hours. The National Weather Service has winter weather advisory for parts of southwestern Kansas, all the way through central Iowa, northeastern Illinois, and northwestern Indiana, Chicago, southwestern Ohio, northern Kentucky, West Virginia, and there is also winter storm watch happening in West Virginia, southwest Virginia, and northwest North Carolina. So this whole area is expected to have snow and winter weather happening. Alright, let's take a look at the current temperatures. Here on the East Coast, it's pretty much 30s and 40s. On the middle of the Eastern Coast, and then the South has 50s, 60s, and 70s. The northeast coast is low degrees. Maine has 9 degrees on the northern part and 20 degrees on the southern part. Washington has 44 degrees. California has 51 degrees, 50 degrees, 46 degrees, 48 degrees. Texas has 41 degrees, 49 degrees, and 51, 67, and 58 on the eastern side. Louisiana has 45 and 52 degrees. Florida has 49, 59, 61, and 70 degrees. Still a bit cool, but still warm for the Florida area. Georgia has 45 degrees. South Carolina has 40 degrees. North Carolina has 37 and 38, 36 degrees. Virginia has 32 degrees. Massachusetts has 26 degrees. Vermont has 6 degrees. Maine has 9, as I said earlier, and 20 degrees in the southern part of Maine. So, guys, please stay safe out there. It is cooler temperatures than before, and the snowstorm is supposed to happen this weekend. So please stock up on food if you need it. Stay aware if you live in those areas that the hazardous driving could happen because of the weather. Alright guys, hit like and subscribe and see you next time.